Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about basic navigation command we can use while accessing a file with Vim. So this is a continuation of our previous video. So let's first check whether the files are available. So this is the file we created in the earlier video, and let's go inside that. So yes, and here first let's go with the basic navigation. You can move your cursor here and there with the arrow keys, like go to right, left, then down, then up. uh, Apart from the arrow keys, you can use the L key to move right, H to left, J to down, and K to up. So as I'm pressing these keys, I have indicated a keyboard, so you can see the pressing key is getting highlighted with red color, so you know which key I am pressing. So these are the basic navigation, and for better navigation there are a few shortcuts. So if you say if you are in the middle of a file, middle of a line, and you suddenly need to jump to the beginning of the line, you can press the key 0. So now the cursor is at the very beginning of the line. If you want to jump to the end of the line, you can press the dollar mark. I am pressing shift and then the dollar mark. So now you are at the end of the line. So if you want to go to the bottom of the file, you can have to press capital G. Now you are at the bottom of the file. If you want to go to the top of the file, you can press the G key twice. So these are very basic but very useful navigations while dealing with text files. So I hope you guys learned something in this video, and if you guys enjoy this video, please consider to like and subscribe to my channel. Then that's it for this video guys, and I will see you guys with a new video. Thank you.